If you want to travel the world while earning money, Amazon FBA online arbitrage is the business model for you. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can potentially accomplish this, but you need to realize that this is not something that you can do right when you start, okay? You need to accomplish some things in your business to be able to do this. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube. I also offer group coaching, so if you want that, link in the description. And if you want to learn more, subscribe and like this video. So I did this, okay? I've been traveling a lot for the last 9 months. I went to I don't know many countries. I went actually to 4 continents, 10 different countries, and I was able to run my business from those places. But before I actually reached before I was actually able to do this, I had to do some stuff, and this is what we are going to outline in this video. Also, you need to know this. If you want to run your business this way, it is not going to scale as fast as if you are in the US and if you do something that is called FBM, which is fulfilling the orders yourself, which obviously you cannot do while you are actually traveling. Right? So this is the first big thing that you need to understand, okay? If you want to actually scale your business fast, this is not the way to go. This is good when your business is already doing some money that you can, yes, your business is going to keep growing, but it's not going to grow as fast. No, if you are not living in the US, and of course, it can still grow fast just with FBA. This is not what I'm saying. But, you know, like, if you are in the US, if you are from the US, you are living in the US, take advantage of this and scale your business yourself by doing FBM. I have a few videos on this. So go on my channel or type Chris Mangunza FBM. Chris Mangunza is my name, by the way. And you're going to find those videos, okay? The reason why these business models are going to scale faster is because, you know, when you do FBA, and if you do not understand what Amazon FBA is, it's pretty much, you know, you buy inventory, especially online arbitrage, you buy inventory, okay? So you receive it, you prepare the inventory, you send it to Amazon, Amazon store it, and when the inventory becomes available at Amazon warehouse, it is available for sale on Amazon, and they take care whenever you have a sale of shipping it to customer and doing the customer support, okay? With FBM, you do all this yourself. You sell on Amazon, but you do all the fulfillment yourself. So you cut off a lot of time because you do not need to send the items to Amazon. And whenever you have the item in hand, you can actually start selling it. So you do not selling it, So you do not need to wait for the item to become available on Amazon, okay? So right now, as you guys noticed, I'm actually back in the US because I want to scale my business a little bit faster before I actually start traveling again full time. Of course, like, I'm still going to travel little by little here and there, like every month, every 2 months or so, but I'm not going to travel full time like I did because I want to scale my business fast before I actually go back to do this, all right? And take advantage of the fact that I am currently in the US and I had to work a lot to be able to actually stay in the US and have papers in the US, all right? If you want to know more about that, there's more info on my channel, all right? So to be able to run this business this way, this is what you need to understand, okay? When you sell on Amazon, you need to prepare your inventory before actually sending it to Amazon, all right? So you cannot actually order, let's say you want to buy inventory on Walmart.com because you found a product that is profitable, you want to send it, you want to sell it on Amazon, you are not going to be able to ship this product from Walmart directly to Amazon, okay? This is not the way we do it. You need to either ship it to your house or ship it to what we call a prep center. So a prep center is a company that will receive your inventory from your suppliers, prepare the inventory because you need to slap labels on them, you need to prep them, sometimes polybag them, use bubble wrap, depending on what Amazon requires for the specific product. And basically a prep center will do all this. The great thing with prep centers also that I need to discuss a little bit about is that you can actually get a prep center in a tax-free state such as Montana and Portland, okay? So yes, hiring a prep center is going to cost a little bit of money, okay? I think I pay $1.25 per unit that they prep for me, all right? But the great thing with prep centers is that you can get one in a tax-free state. And so if there's a certain amount of money, okay, that you're going to spend on inventory per unit where you're actually going to break even on the fee that they charge you, right? So for example, let's say I buy something for $100 to resell it on Amazon. If I were to ship it right here in Florida, I would pay 7% in tax, so it would be $7, okay, that I would pay in sales tax for this product. If I were to ship this product in a tax-free state for them to actually prep it. And first of all, I would not pay any sales tax, okay? So I would save $7. I would just pay $1.25 for them to receive it, prep it, and send it, okay? So I'm going to save on $5.75 just by using a prep center in a tax-free state. So of course, it is pretty rare that you buy products for $100 to resell on Amazon, but anything that is above $25, I believe, if you pay a 7% sales tax, you're gonna break even, okay? And so if you sell a lot of shoes, a lot of clothing, all that stuff is super easy to actually break even on that fee. Or upper hand luxury products, or upper hand cosmetic products. All right, so it's super easy to break even on that fee. All right, so that's the first thing that you need to establish. Okay. Second of all, you need capital to invest in inventory, okay? This is not going to work without capital to invest in inventory. And you need to understand how much money you actually need to make to be able to sustain your lifestyle abroad. And of course, it costs less money to sustain a lifestyle abroad than if you live in Miami, for example, okay? Bad thing for me, while I was traveling, I still had to pay my rent, okay? So for those 9 months, I actually spent my rent. I actually had to spend money on rent right there for my apartment in Miami, because if you want to learn more about the reason why I had to travel, watch my previous videos. But, so of course, but it's a great way to actually save some money and actually scale your business if you want to do it this way, okay? Instead of actually spending money prepping while sitting in the US, just move to a cheaper country, work from there so you can save some money, reinvest more money into the business, okay? This is where it will make sense, all right? So, as I said, you need some capital, okay? You need to understand, if you spend $1,000 a month in inventory, you are going to make $2,000 in sales, okay? Those $2,000 in sales are going to turn at pretty much, it's double whatever you spend on inventory you're going to make as sales, okay? And your profit is going to be around 20%, okay? If you are just starting, you should be able to get product once you reach the level that once you understand the business, you should be able to get profit margins at around 20%. All right, so 20%, $2,000, you'll make $400 a month. All right, so you need to spend a little bit more money than that. All right, so if you are able to make $15,000 a month, you should make around $3,000 profit. Okay. If you live in a cheaper country, you can reinvest that. You can reinvest probably half of that into the business, pay your rent, pay for your food with the rest, and you should be good. All right. So this is the big thing that you need to understand. You need to have some capital.
Sorry,
okay.
I don't know that.
Okay. For whatever reason, Alexa decided to speak. I have no reason why, but let's keep going. So yeah, as I said, you need some capital. You should, if you want to actually, I think you should actually make at least $20,000 a month if you want to start traveling, and it's not going to be a lot, but this is what you should actually make, in my opinion, as revenue if you want to start living this business this way. But it is, you should probably wait a little bit more. And if you are just starting, you may think that $20,000 a month in revenue is a lot of money. And it's hard to reach. It's not at all. Once you actually start selling on Amazon, you realize that the only thing stopping you is just the capital. That's it. And Amazon offers loan and all that stuff for you to actually be able to reach that point. But as I was saying, you need the capital. You need to be able, I think I would say you would need, if you are at $30,000 a month, at least you should be a little bit more comfortable actually traveling while running this business, because you need to understand one big thing also. You are thinking about American standards, okay? When you think about, you think, okay, $30,000 a month is going to be like $6,000 profit. It's not a lot of money. And if you run your business in different ways, you can get higher profit margins. It's not easy, but if you focus on clearance products, stuff like this, you should be able to do it. But $6,000 a month, if you just keep half of that, okay, to pay for your rent overseas, to pay for your rent or your accommodation, whatever overseas, which is easily doable, you keep $500 to $1,000 a month for food, for all that stuff. You can easily see the world by doing this. All right, so that's pretty much how you run a business. You live the laptop lifestyle with an Amazon FBA business. It is 100% doable. All you need is, and by the way, also I forgot about that. Put all your spending in credit cards where you actually get cash back or you get points, okay, like the Chase cards, because this is basically how I've been able to travel for free as well, by using the Chase Ink Unlimited and the Chase Ink Preferred. Right, all my spending on that, I got credit card points, I can book hotels, and I can book planes for 100% free thanks to that. Okay, so hopefully all this helps you reach your dream of actually being able to travel the world and see the world while traveling. And of course, you do not want to, once again, and I haven't said that, so I do not know why I say once again, But like, you need to have your business at a certain point, so you do not have to spend 8 hours a day working, because why would you be traveling if you need to spend 8 hours a day traveling, 8 hours a day working? Okay, so you need to be able to have some replans that you can buy. You do not have to work 8 hours every single day. Yes, of course, there's going to be some days that are going to be busy, but not all days. All right, so yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, because I release a new video every single day right there on YouTube. Thank you for watching.